10 TSA travel hacks every senior should know in 2025. And airlines are hoping you miss these. Let's be real. Airport security isn't getting easier, especially if you're over 60. In 2025, lines are longer than ever, rules keep evolving, and most folks just accept the stress as part of the deal. But here's the truth. There are secret shortcuts, hidden senior perks, and overlooked TSA hacks that airlines and even the TSA quietly hope you never discover. Today, I'm breaking down the 10 newest TSA travel hacks every senior should know for 2025. Even one of these tips can save time, protect your health, and make travel smoother. And remember, there are brand new changes you might not know about yet, so stick around. Number 10. Beat airport crowds with smart timing. Most travelers miss this completely. The time you fly can make or break your airport experience. Seasoned senior travelers know the secret. Book early morning or midweek flights. Why? Because lines are shorter, staff are fresher, and you dodge the family vacation rush. Why it matters. At peak times, you could be standing for over an hour. For example, in 2025, Fort Lauderdale Hollywood International recorded some of the nation's longest average TSA wait times, up to 15 minutes and 27 seconds, while Palm Beach International averaged just 7 minutes and 27 seconds. Flying at 7 a.m. on a Tuesday? You'll often breeze through while everyone else is still in bed. How to access it. When booking, use airline filters for early or midweek departures. Arrive at the airport at least 2 hours early, even if it seems like overkill. You'll never regret extra time and you're unlikely to hit a bottleneck. Pro tip. Some airports, like Dallas-Fort Worth and Atlanta, now offer senior-friendly or mobility assistance lanes during off-peak hours. Just ask at check-in. Is there a priority or assistance lane for seniors today? Number 9. Dress like a TSA insider. Airlines don't advertise this, but your outfit can literally make or break your screening. Metal jewelry, chunky belts, or those boots with zippers. They're magnets for extra screening. Why it matters. The more metal and bulk in your outfit, the higher the odds you'll slow down the line, and maybe get a public pat-down. How to access it. Choose simple slip-on shoes and comfortable clothes. Since 2025, shoe removal rules have loosened thanks to new CT scanner technology. Rollout is complete at most major airports, but not all, so check your departure airport's current rules. Easy-off shoes still help for random checks or at airports with legacy scanners. Pro tip. If you're 75 or older, let the TSA officer know. You often won't have to remove light jackets, and if your joint replacement sets off the alarm, you may get a free do-over or be allowed to sit for the pat-down. For super smooth passage, print and present a TSA notification card. It discreetly lists any medical devices or conditions for the officer. Number 8. Pack like a pro. How you pack is as important as what you pack. TSA agents instantly spot overstuffed bags and spaghetti mess electronics. Those are the ones that get dumped out on the table. Why it matters. Organized bags fly through the scanner. Messy, jam-packed ones? Those are headed for manual inspection. How to access it. Treat your carry-on like an organized drawer. Use packing cubes, keep electronics in an easy-to-reach pouch at the top, and keep all medications together. Pro tip. Before your trip, ask your airline's gate agent, what's the easiest way to organize my carry-on for security here? Flight crew insiders know the tricks, like keeping electronics out of sleeves and medical liquids up front. Medications over 3.4 ounces are always allowed if declared when you reach the scanner. Just let the officer know. If you take daily medication, keep everything in a clear bag and have a doctor's note handy for medical devices. This can speed up the process and avoids embarrassment. Number 7. Leverage your senior status for TSA perks. If you're 75 or older, you qualify for special TSA screening accommodations. Keeping your jacket and shoes on, extra help with mobility devices, and a chair for pat-downs. Why it matters. Less standing, less bending, less stress, and a more respectful experience, especially if you use mobility aids or have a replacement joint. How to access it. As you approach security, simply state, "I'm over 75. Are there senior accommodations or a priority lane today?" Mention any mobility needs both at airline check-in and at TSA security. Pro tip: if you require a pat-down, you have the right to ask for a chair. Many airports now allow a second pass through the scanner if your device sets off the alarm. And don't forget your TSA notification card. It discreetly smooths out communication. Number 6. The Free Security Concierge, TSA Cares. TSA Cares is a game changer for seniors or anyone needing a little extra support. Whether you travel solo, use a wheelchair, or simply get overwhelmed by busy environments. Why it matters. TSA Cares provides you a trained assistant who will answer questions, help with bags, and guide you through security, reducing confusion and anxiety. How to access it? Call TSA Cares at 855-787-2227 at least 72 hours before travel, or ask a checkpoint officer for a passenger support specialist when you arrive. This support isn't just for mobility devices. It's available if you have a pacemaker, anxiety, or just need an extra hand. Pro tip: wheelchair and meet and assist services from airlines are usually free when requested during booking or check-in. They'll escort you from curb to gate. Some credit cards, like the Platinum Card from American Express, will even reimburse certain travel assistance fees. Number 5. Keep your docks and devices ready, not buried. Don't be the traveler surprised by "ticket and ID, please" at the checkpoint. Digging through a packed purse or backpack slows you down and makes you a target for extra questions. Why it matters. Organized travelers move fast. Unprepared travelers hold up the line and can look suspicious to TSA staff. How to access it. Use a small pouch or neck wallet for ID and boarding pass. Never loosen pockets. For medical devices, say up front, "I have knee replacement pacemaker. Do you need my doctor's note or TSA notification card?" Pro tip: keep all your medications and liquids in a clear zipper bag, ready to show. Declare anything over 3.4 ounces. Medical liquids or gels are permitted in any quantity if declared. It makes the process faster and documents everything in case of questions. Now, if you've learned even one new thing so far, hit that like button. It helps other smart travelers discover hidden perks. For deeper insider secrets and senior travel hacks, subscribe and hit that bell. The next 5 hacks could save you time, money, and stress on your next adventure. Number 4. Double check for surprises. Roughly 1 in 4 travelers lose items at security, usually due to a forgotten bottle or knife hidden deep in a bag. Why it matters. A hidden knife, bottle, or battery means your bag is flagged, dumped, and you might lose your favorite items to the TSA graveyard. How to access it. The night before your flight, do a pre-flight sweep. Open every pocket and compartment. Check for pocket knives, old batteries, aerosols, or unopened water bottles. Pro tip: keep a reusable checklist on your phone or print one for every trip. Even frequent flyers forget stuff when they're rushed, especially meds or sharp objects. Number 3. Join TSA PreCheck or Clear for maximum speed. This is the ultimate fast pass. For just $78 for 5 years, most card issuers now cover the entire fee. TSA PreCheck gets you a dedicated lane, no shoe or laptop removal, and a sub-10-minute wait for 99% of passengers in 2025. Clear uses biometric ID checks for even faster entry. Combine both for the shortest line at almost any major airport. Why it matters. Less standing, no airport undressing, and more time to relax. In 2025, pre-check passengers at busy airports like LAX and ATL often average under 6 minutes in line. For regular lines, it can be 3 times longer during holidays. How to access it. Apply online for TSA PreCheck or Clear. Many credit cards like Chase Sapphire Reserve and Amex Platinum now refund these fees. If you travel internationally, apply for Global Entry. $120 for 5 years includes PreCheck and dedicated customs clearance. Pro tip: When you travel with family, children 12 and under now automatically join you in pre-check lines. Number 2. Avoid the bag traps that flag you for extra screening. TSA screens flags more than just prohibited items. They also look for cluttered, suspiciously packed bags. Why it matters. Dense packed bags, tangled electronics, and wrapped gifts are all common red flags. In 2025, new AI scanners are smarter than ever at finding these. How to access it. Electronics. Keep laptops, tablets either in a separate easy access compartment or visible in a clear pouch. Liquids. Follow the 3-1-1 rule. Under 3.4 ounces each, all in a quart bag. Declare medical liquids. They're allowed above the limit if you declare them. Gifts. Never pre-wrap presents. TSA will unwrap suspicious parcels, and you'll end up with a mess and a delay. Pro tip. Separate snacks, electronics, and liquids before you get to the checkpoint. This reduces bag dump risk and speeds up screening, especially at busy airports during holidays. Number 1. Use priority and assistance lines for seniors. Here's a hidden gem. Many airports quietly offer priority or assistance lines for seniors, travelers with mobility challenges, or those who simply ask. These aren't universally advertised. You often have to know what to say. Why it matters. Instead of standing in the general line, you can get expedited treatment, less waiting, and sometimes dedicated agents to walk you through. How to access it. At check-in, ask, are there priority or assistance lanes for seniors today? If you have a cane, walker, or just need extra help, mention this. Staff will nearly always direct you to the fastest available lane. Pro tip. Combine this with pre-booked wheelchair service. Airlines are required to provide it free if you request during booking, and they'll guide you seamlessly from curb to gate. Some airports also have family, senior-friendly lanes during holiday peaks. Just ask. So, which hack will make the biggest difference for you? Have you tried any already? Drop your stories in the comments. I love hearing from fellow smart travelers. If you want even more insider secrets, don't miss our video about 10 packing mistakes that make TSA hate you. It's packed with pro tips to get you through security like a VIP. If this helped you out, hit like and subscribe so we can keep bringing you the best airline secrets. Safe travels.